Hello programmers, welcome to Coding by HP. In this series of videos, I will teach you the basics of SQL Server database and its management. What is a database? It is managed way of representing data so it can be easily accessed and managed. Data can be organized in the form of table, rows and columns, and it is indexed to make it easier to find relevant information. To understand this, let me show you an example. Data can be organized if it is of same kind. We can create table of employees but cannot add details of patients in it. To understand, the employee has attribute of employee ID, employee name, designation and location, and patient will have different attributes such as patient ID, his name, his blood group and his illness. So we cannot add the details of patient in employee table. In this example, we have 4 columns: employee ID, employee name, designation and location, and we have 3 employees in it. We will add constraints on these columns to manage the data. We can fetch data by employee ID, name, designation and its location. We can perform various operations on data while retrieving it, like grouping, logical operations, ordering, set operations. We will see these operations in further videos. Now let's understand what is cloud-based database. Traditional databases require companies to provision all of the underlying infrastructure and resources necessary to manage their databases on premises. The cloud has revolutionized the database field in that those resources are now available on a pay-go basis. Let's see some of the benefits of cloud-based database. Company provider does not have to pay for databases. Cloud databases are enriched with variety of automated processes such as recovery, failover and autoscaling. You can access data from anywhere and anytime. Thank you. That's it for this introductory video. I hope you guys gain some knowledge from this. In next video, we will see what is SSMS.